Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Xiaomi device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to tap on additional settings, go into one-handed mode and tap on the switcher to activate it. Then pick one of the sizes of your shrink screen by clicking on the chosen one and follow the instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen closer to one side. So if you want to use one-handed mode with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. If you want to go back, just click on the dark area over here. If you want to use it with your left hand, do the same to the left. You can go back the same way. To turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!